Hi everyone, my name is Margie. I study at Navy Nursery and Primary School. Today I going to show the components of a computer one by one. This is a printer. This is a keyboard. This is a speaker. This is a mouse. This is a pen drive. This is a webcam. This is a CD. This is a monitor CPU. Thank you.
Very good.